Hello everyone and welcome to another Weavival screencast. I'm Jason Stanball, the founder and COO of Weavival, and today I wanted to take you in quickly and show you how you can edit page content on your WordPress site that has the Fox WordPress theme installed. And so this Fox WordPress theme was purchased for Mojo Themes, and so you can see here it is. And so this is really for not necessarily the designer or the person implementing your site. This is for you because when I implement sites for folks, I often will plug in some placeholder content to show them where we're missing some pieces. And so um, what you'll see today is how easy it is to, when viewing your site, to then log in and then edit the content. And so you'll want to visit your site. This here is a customer in question who has that Fox theme installed. And so you'll want to go ahead and log into the site, and I'm already logged in here, but for those of you not quite sure how to log in, just type in the URL of your site, and then put /WP admin. Sorry about that. When you type that in, it'll actually bring up a username and password. Enter in the username and password that you've been given. But after you've logged in, I want you to head back out to your site. The Fox theme has a really cool feature added. So when you're looking at your site, so let's say let's head on over to a page that needs to be edited. So here's a page. I'm going to visit it. So the designer or the web developer has sent me over and said, hey, I need you to take a look at the site and fill out some content. So what you're going to do is you're going to go check out those pages, check out your site. When you come across one and you see here this lorem ipsum is placeholder content. So you're probably going to want to put something else in there. And so it's pretty easy to do. All you do is press edit. It'll take me right in to edit this page right inside of kind of a what you see is what you get editor. It should be very familiar to you. It's similar to your Microsoft Office or any other type of desktop publishing software. But a couple things here, just want to take you through a little bit of anatomy that we see here. So when you highlight something, you'll notice that this little box will change. This is indicating how this particular text is styled. And so if your designer or web developer has those in there, it's in there for a reason. It's because it looks nice, it helps break up the text. And so I wouldn't remove those, but just be cognizant of those styling is actually what this is called here. And so you can change it to lots of different things, but I would advise leaving it alone, particularly if the designer has already went in and styled this page for you. And so you'll just want to plop right in on top what you really want to say. And so event details looks good to me. Maybe I want to type in that this is every Saturday throughout the month of December at the town mall. All right, and so you get the idea. So I've went in, I've edited, I've deleted this text, I've entered in some new text, and then when you feel comfortable with what you have, you go over here to the right and press update. Okay, so now my post has been updated. So let's go out and hit press view page to see the changes that we've made. All right, so we see here that the changes have been made and they look good. And now I do caution you that with this theme I've found that you need to be really careful with text styling, particularly when you add a second paragraph. And I just want to show you what I'm talking about so you know what to do if some text that you have added doesn't look quite right. All right, so I'm just going to copy this text here. Okay. And I'm going to say I want to enter in a second paragraph. Just like in Microsoft Office, we'll press enter to start a new paragraph. And we're going to paste that same text. And so I'm going to update once more. And we're going to go back out to the site. And you'll see here that even though I wanted two separate paragraphs, it's not quite there. There's not enough space here. And so what I've found with this theme is that you really do need to use two returns between paragraphs. So to do that, we're going to go ahead and press edit again. We're going to go back here to where we want some more space, and we're going to press enter one more time and then press update once more. We're going to head back out and view our page, and now you will see I've added in enough space so that I have a nice looking paragraph break. And so you're going to rinse and repeat this process throughout your site, editing the page content again. Be very, very mindful of content styling. So, if for some reason this style goes away, you're going to want to add it again and again. You can control text styles up here in this little menu. And again, just want to reiterate that if the designer or the developer who put those in there, they did it for a reason. So I wouldn't edit those or change those unless, of course, you're really unhappy. And then feel free to play around with it. But please do, after you've made any changes to your page, hit update, go back out, view what it looks like on your site, just so you know exactly what it is that you're looking at and you're comfortable with the style, because sometimes these things can be a little fickle. So thank you all for tuning in. This is how you edit page content on WordPress using the Fox theme.